Now contrapositive. Now in the contrapositive, what the conditions are, let's check it. Now first of all, just going for the definition part. Now the contrapositive of a given conditional is a new condition whose hypothesis is the negation of original conclusion and conclusion is negation of original hypothesis. So this is what, this is the contrapositive. Now the given conditional if P then Q. Now what we can write this one? P implies Q. Okay. Now the contrapositive, it will be if not Q then not P, then not P. Okay. So not Q, we can write it negation of Q, then if negation of Q then negation of P. Now to this we can write it negation of Q implies negation of P. Just it is the contrapositive is the converse part of the inverse. Okay, converse part for the inverse. Now again for the truth table, PQ, P implies Q. True, false, true and true. Now let us fill it with first of all negation of Q. Now negation of Q means just negation part for this whole column. Now this becomes now false, true, false, true. Negation of P, false, false, true, true. Negation of Q implies negation of P. Now we have to check it in between these two, F and F. False and false becomes true, true and false becomes false, false and true becomes true, true and true becomes true. Okay. Now we can go for an example. Now suppose P implies Q, let us take an example. If I live in Mumbai, then I live in India. Okay, and what will be the contrapositive? First negation of the second sentence, negation of this one. If I am not living in India, then I am not living in Mumbai.